Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Turn the car to ACC or on so sync is powered. This activates pairing mode when requested. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and make it discoverable, and keep the screen unlocked so prompts are visible. Once done, press the phone or Bluetooth button on the sync unit to begin pairing. Make sure contacts and messaging access permissions are enabled on the phone settings so sync can import names and recent calls during the process. Now you initiate pairing on the sync system. On the sync display, choose Add a device or Add phone, which prompts sync to search for nearby Bluetooth devices. On your phone, pick the entry labeled Ford Sync or the displayed vehicle name. You will see a PIN. Compare the PIN on the phone and the head unit. If they match, confirm on both. This step establishes a secure link, and once connected, sync will request permission to access contacts and messages. Grant those to enable full hands-free features. Finish by letting sync download your contacts and recent call history. Ask it to import if prompted. Make sync a trusted device on your phone so future connections are automatic. This saves time and avoids repeated pairing. If you don't see calls or messages, unpair and remove old Ford sync entries from your phone, then restart the phone and the vehicle system and repeat pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing still fails, perform a soft reset of sync from settings, then try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.